Greetings, everyone. I'm Rich from Humai, and before I begin, let me just let you know that I am not sponsored or endorsed by GoHighLevel in any way. I make these videos because I enjoy building on the platforms and I truly recommend them. But there's no incentives that come from GoHighLevel or any of the other platforms that I make tutorials for. In this video, I want to talk about the custom objects GoHighLevel recently released. So we can see here, they published this document on their support website on October 15th. And basically just goes over a little bit about them, when you should consider using custom objects. And the reason I want to point out about the API is because I am really excited about these custom objects. Custom objects in GoHighLevel remind me a lot of custom post types in WordPress. And that was where we was really able to unlock the power of WordPress, because we could build custom post types and we could basically create, products for e-commerce or membership profiles, and we could turn WordPress from being a blogging platform into a full-blown website CMS. So that's why I'm excited about the objects, and I've already began building something with them. So here's a website that I've been working on building these past couple of days, and I'm building it around 100% using GoHighLevel as a backend. So, for example, you can see right here we've got these posts, right? So each one of these posts are actually coming from right here. So we've got battle wraps. We see the two custom objects that I've created right here. We've got battle wraps and we've got wrappers, right? So with battle wraps, if I click one of them, you can see, and I've just got some dummy content in here because I've been working on this, but you see I've got custom fields assigned to them, right? And so if we come back over here, let me just sign in. So first of all, this is hooked into WordPress from every layer. In order for the contact to actually sign in, it has to be inside of the GoHighLevel contacts, and it will actually have to have a active subscription from a GoHighLevel subscription. And so through the API, I'm checking for all of that. But let's just go ahead and sign in with this user. Now back here, we can see all of the battle wraps. And so this is one right here. And this is just a video of me because I haven't actually began. This is all just dummy content. But what I'm trying to show is that the content is being loaded in this website using the battle wraps and the wrappers custom object from here in GoHighLevel. Don't believe me? Let me just show you. So let's go ahead and add a wrapper. I'm going to name this wrapper Rich from Humai. Okay. And then let's go ahead and just put some information in here about Rich from Humai. I'll go ahead and use a picture. And for the Instagram, but I'm not going to put any of this other stuff in. So, I've got Spotify, YouTube Music, all of that stuff for an artist. But I'll just go ahead and save this. And so now we've got two artists in here. We've got Auntie Panda and we've got Rich from Humai. If I just come back over here and refresh this, you see now we've got Rich from Humai in here. If I click this, you see, there we go. So this is actually coming from these custom objects. Now, how do we make a custom object? Well, we come under settings, then we go to objects, and you can see here that I've got two custom objects, battle wraps and wrappers. Okay. And then each of your custom objects you just add custom fields to it. And so here under custom fields, you just go to add field. Let's say you want to add a single line text. And after you add that field for your object, you just select which custom object it is that it belongs to. Then you select the group for that custom object, and that field will then be associated with that object, and you can begin using it for your content. Now, this is just one use case for custom objects. I don't know, maybe they didn't even intend for it to be used this way. This is just something that I got excited about because now I'm able to use GoHighLevel almost like a full content management system backend. And when I build a website, it's just the interface. And we just do everything through the API. And so everything that you need to know about how to do this is inside of the API. If you are ever interested in learning how to do this stuff and joining a workshop, just visit workshops.humaios.com. Right now, we've got a 4-week workshop that is free. It's lasting all December. So you can join in and participate in the community. But other than that, let me know if you've got any questions and if you've got any other ideas in how we can use custom objects besides probably what GoHighLevel intended, which are using this for structuring our data and doing things inside of the high level sub account user interface.